Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be a passion twist crochet installation that did not take very long. TOYOTRESS was kind enough to send me this hair to review. So if you want to see how I installed this hair, you already know what to do. Alright, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I used the Mielle Organics Babasu Conditioning Shampoo and Deep Conditioner. And now I'm adding some of their almond mint oil to the twists that I'm taking out because I twisted it last night to let it air dry overnight. And I like to add a little moisture as I take it apart and continue with this stretching mechanism. I typically like to use the same product line when I'm doing hair maintenance, and I have been using Mielle Organics for quite some time, and I absolutely love it. It's always a return to. Now I'm just doing a little scalp massaging, which I like to do because number one, it feels so doggone good, and two, it promotes hair growth, it gets the blood circulating. It's the best. Okay, so now my hair is completely straight and combed out, and now I'm going to begin braiding my foundation for this crochet installation. So now I'm adding some Mielle Organics hair milk because again I like to keep my hair as moisturized as possible when doing protective hairstyling. It is super duper important to make sure your hair is completely moisturized so that it does not dry out. So I'm using some of this Let's Jam Extra Hold to apply at the roots as well as the ends of the hair for extra moisture, of course, before I begin braiding. Now the braiding technique and pattern that you'll see is a technique that I actually got from another YouTuber. Her name is Mary K. Bella. And you know me, I really like to give credit where credit is due. If I see something from someone else that I think will work for me, I'm definitely going to shout them out and let you know that that's where I got it from. So with her technique, and I kind of customized mine a little bit. It's not exactly like hers, but so what I did was do individual braids around the perimeter. I connected them in the front, maybe 3 in a row. And then the remainder of that row, I just cornrowed towards the back. And then on the sides and back, I just left them as individuals and attached them to the other braids, if that makes sense. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Oil. I'm a grease monkey right now. But that's okay. You know, I don't care.
So before I leave you, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp with my Jamaican black castor oil. So I'll be back tomorrow to finish this installation, okay? All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this crochet installation. I am hoping that it only takes me 30 minutes. I'm looking at my clock right now. It is now 12:20 p.m. and I am rushing because I have a flight to catch. I am on my way to Miami to celebrate my birthday for the weekend, so I got to hurry up. I can't go like this, okay? So this is my foundation, my braid foundation. I was trying to create the illusion of individual crochets or individual braids in general, passion twists. But because this is a crochet style, I didn't want to just cornrow straight back. I was really trying to get this illusion going on. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this installation because like I said, I am rushing. So here is the hair. The hair comes in this package. I have not opened it yet, but I do know that within this package, there are 7 individual packs of hair. All right, so these are pre-twisted and pre-looped passion twist crochet. They're 20 inches long, and this package is available on Amazon for $64.66. We'll leave all of the information down in the description box below. This just fell out the bag. They also give you a little package of rubber bands and some little hair jewelry that I probably won't use, but you know, it's cute that they included it in the package. All right, so now that I have opened the package and kind of separated the hair on my table here, it is now 12:25, and now I'm gonna time stamp from 12:25 to when I finish and let you know how long it actually took. So let's get into it. So again, here's my braiding pattern where I started with the individuals in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. And I also did the individuals around the perimeter. So if I want to put it up, it'll have the illusion that they are individual braids. So that's kind of what I was going for. The only thing you need for this, crochet needle. That's it. And the hair, of course. All right. I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm just going, this is not a beginner video where I am showing you how to crochet. There are a million videos out there like that. So this is just, for me, a time video, how long it actually takes to install this hair. And as you can see, it has this little pre-loop, and let's get started. So for any beginners, I'm really just going right underneath the box braid area that I created. So that was the whole perimeter so far, and I have used one of the 7 packs and like a half or a few of them out of the second pack. And this is just the perimeter. So now I'm gonna keep moving, I'm gonna keep going and finish the rest. Right, y'all, I finished, and it is now 12:50. So that only took me 25 minutes, okay? Actually, probably 20, because I had about a 3 to 5 minute distraction because my girlfriend showed up and I had to, you know, give her my luggage so she can go load it up. So I had a little bit of a distraction. So it was only like 20, 25 minutes, like super fast and easy, y'all. super easy once you got your foundation down. So I never really do my foundation and the crochet at the same time. I normally do my foundation a day or two. I did my foundation like 2 days ago, my braids under here. So I am loving this. This is nice. They feel so soft, y'all, and they actually feel like moisturized and everything. Like, they feel really, really good. Really good. I am digging it. Yes, honey. And just like my shirt said, yes, I did change my hair again. Oop. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you, TOYOTRESS, for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. It's a super quick and easy installation for beginners as well. Like super easy. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I got a flight to catch. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.